Okay. All right. Listen, we're going to go over a very quick call right now. I'm going to give you a very quick market overview for what's going to happen potentially for the rest of the week. I'm going to go over the JPY basket, and I'm going to show you how correlation works and how we can use this as a type of cheat sheet in the market, okay? So we're going to go over the JPY basket first, and I'm going to show you how you can use it with your correlated pairs. GBPJPY, EURJPY, AUDJPY, NZDJPY, CHF, CAD, USD, all correlated to JPY, okay? So look, we're going to jump into the chart. Right now, GBPJPY will be our first pair that we analyze. After what? We check the basket. So when we do a quick top-down analysis, we're going to see, starting on the weekly chart here, we're on the JPY, and look, we have a very nice doji. Okay, we have a nice doji here, bearish on the previous week. So now as we're in present time, we can see prices starting to fall. Come to your daily chart. Right now you have a type of double tap here to the high. Tap, tap. This is a fractal where ideally you would see it break. You would see it break this, retest, and come lower, right? Because that's your fractal. Okay, this is the daily chart. You can see if it wanted to come down, there's a lot of room down here, right? And even if it didn't want to come that low, you can go to the line chart and see, look, as long as we break this fractal, then there's a lot of room for it to fall. And then that will also be your A, B, C, D, because you'll break that, retest, so your A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D. Okay, and that's your fractal break, retest to the pullback, and continued short. So if this is going to play out, we're going to need, remember, the last 2 days now were very bearish. So come into your 4 hour. Same idea. We're starting to break to the downside. We're having a lot of bearish movement. All we really need now is it's a fresh new 4 hour candle. You're going to need for this candle to close bearish. Okay? If we get any more retests, come to the 1 hour, check your line chart, okay, and you can see this is your main area where we had the type of break in here. So again, you may see price retest a little bit higher, and then we're expecting it to fall. Okay, we're expecting to take out these lows. This is a fractal here that we need to break, and obviously the bigger fractals down here. We need to come to the downside and see these fall. Okay? So again, you're either going to see price is going to do one of two things. You may get a sharp pullback. Okay, we'll zoom in. We may see a sharp pullback up into here and then it pushes down. Or it might just start pushing down. It may not do any of this big pullback. And it might just start pushing down in general. Okay? And then again, ideally we would break that and even break this. We would see some retests in there. It's not just going to shoot down, right? On a lower time frame, even on the 15, again, we need to start breaking this low and this low for price to come to obviously the ultimate lower points. We would want to break, retest, come lower. Okay? So with that being said, if we're seeing the JPY basket fall, that means all the correlated pairs are going to be a long. Okay, you're going to look for a buy. So we'll start with GBPJPY. And again, we'll go to the weekly really quickly. So look, your weekly, it's very bullish, right? It's pushing up. Now the last 2 weeks have been bullish, bullish, bullish. Go to your daily. Check it out. We're getting bullish candles. It's clean. You're looking to come to these highs up here. Okay, go to your line chart on the daily. Look, you're almost getting that type of inverted head and shoulders, except you don't really have like a nice, you know, it's not as pretty in a sense, but you get what I'm saying. You have all this momentum here, retest, you want to come higher. Okay, that's all we want to see. We want to see this pan out to the upside. We're already getting these types of fractal breaks here. Remember, I'm on the daily. This is broken. Okay. So again, this is GJ on the daily. We're breaking these fractals. We're looking for it to come to the upside, at least to this yellow line, right? And even for that, you're looking for a good, you know, that's 230 pips. can make a lot of money on that. You can have a great return on that, okay? So we're giving you a quick overview. There's GJ. Here's EJ. I'm going to fly through these quickly. If you want to really dive in on how these trades work, how you can actually catch a live trade with us, don't forget we will be live today and every single day pre-London Open. 30 minutes pre-London Open, okay? If you're not part of our private team, you can learn how you can join our team so you can actually get on the live trades with us, okay? This is a quick market overview. So again, you can see how EJ is very long. We're expecting the same thing. Price to come to this high here. You see the yellow dotted line. Even with EJ, you've got a solid 200 pips to the upside, okay? You can see EJ could be a clean long. AUDJPY, AJ, same idea. That was an old trade. Remove it. See, if we get a type of double bottom here, and we would expect to pop off, guys, this is the daily, remember. If so, you would be targeting these highs, okay? For us to reach those highs, even on AJ, almost a good 100 pips. Ideally, that would be a fractal that we would break, and we would look for it to come even higher. Okay, same thing with NZD. My two favorite pairs for this right now would be, that was a nice trade, GJ and EJ first, right? We're getting this double bottom here, okay? Double bottom. So we could see a rally to the upside. We would break this fractal, retest, and come higher. Right? That's your fractal. You're always going to pull back to your fractal. And what are you getting in this? A, B, C, D. Okay? We're living in the now on the daily. So that's what could happen. Again, we had all this movement here. Price is breaking out of it. Right? Breaking out, retest, and go. We break this fractal again. A, B, C, D. That's all you're going to look for. A, B, which breaks the fractal. Retest to it. C, D. Higher. That's it. Higher where? To break the highs. And go even higher. Right? That's what you're aiming for, is those previous highs. Remember, this is the daily. So for AJ, you would really be looking for a good, look again, 230 pips. Okay? NZDJPY. This is NZD, sorry. So we did GJ, EJ, AJ, NJ. It's all very similar. Are you starting to understand? UJ is clean. But you have to understand what's going on with US dollars, so it could be a little more dramatic. But you can just see the last two daily candles are very bullish. So as long as that JPY falls, right, it tanks, it melts, even these pairs will all shoot up, okay? And they'll go to the moon, all right? So again, my favorite four is GJ. Looking to pop up to the upside up here for a good. All these trades have a potential for over 200 pips. You have GJ, you have EJ, same concept. Then I like AJ, even higher, and NJ. Okay? Again, to the upside. Why? Because the JPY is falling. As long as the JPY continues to short, alright, like we were just showing you here, either straight down from where it's at now to break this fractal, or you're going to start to see first a pullback up here, and then a shot down, okay? Regardless, if you're with us in our community, we will be calling these trades out. Make sure to join us on our live session every single day, right? Pre-London Open. If you're not part of our community, you need to get on that. You need to tune in. You need to dial in. March Madness is going, you know, it's crazy. We're going. We're dominating. If you're not part of this madness, you need to join the madness, okay? So again, come learn, come trade, come make some profits, come hit these pips. And again, guys, we're going to help develop 1 million traders, all right? So we'll see you on the moon. Meet me at TP Island. Let's go.